Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back. In today's video we're going to be repairing the bucket on this tractor. So I may have been getting a little bit rough with a ash tree that wouldn't come down. So it was already cracked there when I bought it. You can see that on the other side somebody repaired this side with some angle, and over here it's cracked. So I think I'm gonna bang that back into place. I found some angle next to my garage. I'm gonna just try to weld that in place. So I guess we'll see what happens. See if I can. Doesn't look like that's gonna happen. That's good. That's not gonna move very easy. So in order for me to bend this back, I'm gonna try to weld at least 1.5 inches or so here, so then it doesn't keep ripping. That's not too bad. I'd say that weld isn't too bad for me being an amateur, but I did a couple passes on it. Make sure it's nice and strong. I'd say that's not too bad. All right, so it's been a few days since I repaired the bucket. I've used it a little bit and it's holding up just fine. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one.